Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, everyone? Are you happy today? Yes? Alright. So, today we are going to talk about going shopping. Do you like to go shopping, everyone? Yes? Oh, really? Okay. What something that you like to buy? Clothes. Do you like to buy clothes? Yes? Okay. How about food? Do you like to buy food? Obviously, yes. Yeah, you like to buy foods, clothes, and many things. Alright, so now we are going to play simple games. I call it TPR game, Total Physical Response. This game is very simple. What you need to do is just listen and follow my instruction. Okay? Are you ready? Alright, so everyone stand up. Okay? Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Jump. Sit down. Stand up. Walk. Run. And then now I'm going to make it more challenging. Okay, so now I will change the instruction into two words. Okay, I'm going to make it into 2 words. For example, open your book and read, something like that. Okay, are you ready? Let's practice first. Okay, stand up. Now, take your book and open it. Good. Now, touch your eyes and close your eyes. Good. Walk and run. Good. Okay, you can do it. Sit down, stand up. Sleep and sit down. Okay, excellent everyone. So everyone, you can do it. So actually, in real classroom with your students, you can play this one. So the point is to make our students move their body and also to practice vocabulary. So that one is the aim of this game. Alright, so here is the aim of today's lesson. So we are in Module 6, Unit 1, and our focus is writing and representing. And then our aims for this meeting is write simple text about descriptions of objects and imaginative stories. Okay, are you ready? When I say ready, so you have to say yes, something like that. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Alright, that's really good. Okay, this one is for vocabulary. So we are going to play a simple vocabulary game. I call this one Spell Bumbu. Maybe to make it more interesting, I will divide you into 2 groups. So this side is group 1 and then this side is group 2, okay? So please now give me your team name and your team name. Alright? So your team name is black. And then this one is white. Alright, so white and black. Alright, let's begin the game. Number 1, I will spell it L, boom, and G. Can you guess what word is it? Okay, guess what word is it? Okay, wait, what is it? Long. Let's check the answer. That's correct. So you got 1 point. Team White, you got 1 point. Good. Say together. Long. Alright. Next. S H boom R T. Can Can you guess what is the word? Yes, Team Black, what's it? Short. Excellent. So let's check together. That's right. So the answer is short. Good job. Next. What is it? T-H boom. C-K. Anyone? Alright, Team White, what's it? Thick. Let's check together. That's correct. So you get 1 point, Team White. Okay, we have still many words. Don't worry, Black. Continue, focus. Next, T-H boom M. Okay, which group is it? Okay, White again. What's it, White? Thin. Let me check. That's correct. You got 1 point again. Excellent. Alright. Stay focused. Stay focused. And I think this one is the last one. Does anyone? Okay, Team Black. What is it? The answer is, sorry, cheap. That's correct. So you got 1 point again. And see who is the winner? The winner is Team Black. Give applause for Team Black. Okay, now let's repeat together, everyone. The first one is long, short, thick, thin, big, small, expensive, cheap. Can someone be a volunteer to read it all? Alright. Good. Ibu Nani, okay, please read it. Excellent. Give applause for Ibu Nani, everyone. Alright. So now, can you see from this picture, where is it? And what can you see on the picture? Where is it? Okay. The first one, does anyone know where is it? Excellent, Ibu Ani, that's right. So this one is supermarket. Do you like to go there? Oh yes, that's good. And then the second one here, does anyone know where is it? That's right, good job, Pak Nana. That's right. This one is traditional market. And then how about this? Does anyone know? Yes, clothing market. And the last one, I think this one is very familiar. Library. Oh yes, yes, library. You can see a book. But actually this one is the place where you can buy a book. Does anyone know? That's right, bookstore. Yeah. So supermarket, traditional market, clothing store, and bookstore. So those are the places that people like to visit. Do you like to visit all of these places? Bookstore? Do you like to visit bookstore? No? Why not? If you need a book, you can go to bookstore. Clothing? Yeah, everyone loves this one. Supermarket? Yes, me too. Traditional market? Good. What do you usually buy in supermarket? Yes? Oh, okay. So you like to buy milk. What else? Rice. Alright. Fruits. Okay. How about in traditional markets? What do you like to buy? Okay. What do you like to buy? Onions. Vegetables. What else? Alright. Thank you so much. Okay. Now everyone. This one. Because we learned about the vocabulary at the beginning, now we are going to have an exercise. So look over here. Imagine that you will buy things. What you need to do is, first, describe it and then how much is the price. Okay? Imagine that maybe you are in the USA and then you need to buy something. But first, before you buy it, you have to know, you have to describe it and then how much is the price. Look over here. The price is very clear, but can you describe the thing. Okay, does anyone know? Let's discuss together. Number one. This is, can you see? A thick book. The price was 10,000 rupees. Good job. Who can try to answer for number 2? Does anyone want to try? Alright, good. Come on, try. Look over here. Look at the ruler. That's correct. This is a long ruler. The price was 2,000 rupees. Excellent. Okay, next, how about this? Look, number 1 here. This is the pen, and then this one is the pencil case. Can you describe it? Can you describe it? Alright, so this is a big pencil case. Good. The price was 8,000. Excellent. Next, who wants to try? Does anyone know? Okay, good. What is it? This is a small. Excellent. This is a small eraser. The price was 1,000. Yes? Oh, okay. So you can answer cheap too. Yes. This is a cheap eraser because only 1,000, right? So 1,000 is very, very cheap, right? So you can say either small or cheap. It is acceptable for both. Yeah, you can say it. Okay. Next, this one. Look at the girl here, and then she is holding a doll. So can you guess? All right, you, Mr. Abang, give me the answer, please. Yes. Okay. This is a short doll. Excellent. The price was 25,000 rupees. Okay, thank you, Mr. Abang. Excellent. Okay, now everyone, what you need to do is look at around you. Find something or take that thing and then remember. First, describe it and then how much is the price. Maybe you still remember. Okay? And then after that, write it down on the paper and then you are going to present it in front of the class. Okay? So this is the example. This is my example. Okay, so you have to write it down. This is my expensive pen. The price was 7,000 rupees. I bought it in the market. 7,000 is very expensive because normally pen is only around 2,000 or 3,000, right? So now please write it down, and then after that I will ask you to come here and then present in front of the class. Okay? So I'll give you 5 minutes. I believe you can do it in 5 minutes. So now time is yours. Time is yours. So please take your time. If you need my help, just raise your hand. Okay? Go ahead. Okay, everyone. I think that's all for our meetings today. I hope that you understand it. And remember, our topic for today is to describe things as well as how to present the things in front of the class. Just in case maybe you go somewhere to the USA or to other countries and then you want to buy something and then you go to the cashier, right? And then you don't know what to buy, but maybe you can describe it. Oh, I need something filled with water, for example, and then the price is only $2, for example. So that one is the point of our lesson. Okay, I think that's all for today's meeting. I'll see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye everyone.